Alright, so today we're going to be doing the half squat side step. Now this is a very fun one. If you have a resistance band just like this, the ones that we wrap around our legs, go ahead and grab this and throw it on. If not, that's fine. Now when we're using this resistance band, we're going to sit it just below about halfway up our thighs, so closer to the knees than to our hips. Now, when we're doing this movement, we're going to drop into a half squat, so halfway between standing up straight and full squat. So somewhere around here. If you can drop just a little lower, that'd be awesome as well. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take one step out to the right or the left, depending on which direction you're going. Step out, other foot's going to follow up and step in. Now, once that foot steps in, we're maintaining about our shoulders width apart from our 2 feet. So, step out, step in, step out, step in. You don't have to do these hand motions. I'm just trying to demonstrate this. And on the other way, it's the same idea. So left out, right in. Left out, right in. Left out, right in. Now, a couple things that you really want to pay attention to while we're doing this movement is to make sure that there's not too much bobbing up and down. Most of the movement is going to be lower body. That means upper body, stay nice and contracted in the core, and try not to bob too much there. Also, just like while we're doing our squat, we're going to try to keep our pressure mostly in the back of the foot, yet the weight's going to be evenly distributed across our foot so that we are nice and balanced throughout this whole movement. You're going to find a little knee discomfort probably if you're shifting too much weight towards the front of your foot near where your toes are. And while we're doing this movement, our goal is not to go for speed here. It is to try to control as much of the movement as possible, making sure muscles are engaged all the way through each step. And that is our half squat side step. Thanks for watching.